Dream coding dark mode. What is Python? Hashmark. Python is a language for small, calm instructions. Message equals quote hello, Python quote. Print open parenthesis message close parenthesis. Name equals quote dream coder quote. Print open parenthesis name close parenthesis. Count equals 1. Count equals count plus 1. Ready equals true. If ready print open parenthesis quote Python is ready quote close parenthesis. For number in range, open parenthesis 3 close parenthesis print number. Def greet open parenthesis close parenthesis return quote hello quote. Print open parenthesis greet open parenthesis close parenthesis. Python reads from top to bottom, one quiet line at a time. Print open parenthesis quote. Good night Python quote close parenthesis. Dream coding dark mode. Sweet dreams and don't let the code bugs bite.